this morning I just wanted to do a quick review on equal, not equal, and yeah, I'm too far away here. On equal, not equal, and fractions of shapes. Yes, we've done this before, and we've done it before on I Know It. But the concern is if we recall, the dragging of the shapes. I even had problems this weekend when I was doing it and practicing. And I just want to make sure that as we're going through, and then I'm giving this assignment, it won't be today, but that as we're practicing it together, when you're doing it then as well on your own, that you're recalling what we've practiced on. One of the things too, when I'm only giving you 5 or 6, these are just review lessons. These are not lessons that I feel you need a lot of practice on, but you need a little practice on, maybe just so it keeps an idea of what we've already done in our mind. So as we go on to 5th grade next year, we're like, oh yes, I remember how to do that. Okay, so equal, not equal. We remember on this is that fractions always need to be in equal measurements as far as that's concerned when we're talking about shapes. Okay, right away we see that this right here would not be in an equal measurement. Okay, remember, drag it towards the top. That was the key that I noticed on this. Okay, we noticed that it's cut vertically down. Great use of our words too. Okay, so that's cut vertically down, so we're going to drag that on top. Okay, notice right here clearly these segments are not equal. Drag it towards the top, and then finally we have one more shape, and we notice that yes, those are in equal segments, so we're going to drag that over there. And see, here we go again. That was that problem that I was having. There we go. You really have to drag it towards the top. Okay? So finicky. All right. Yay, my monster. Okay. Here we go. What fraction of the shape is shaded? Well, this is a perfect example here, and I like how they're doing this. Because remember that our numerator is going to show the shaded portion, okay? So we have the shaded portion as 2. Remember, I'm trying to film and do this at the same time. I'm successfully on that. And then the segments, equal portions, mind you, is what's going to be our denominator. Okay, so I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I always like how they have that odd number. Oh, for crying out loud. Forgot to move my cursor. Perfect example of what happens. All right, there we go. Bingo. Okay, let's see what fraction of the shape is shaded. Anybody remember what this shape is called? I hope you're really kind of yelling it out at home. Don't scare your parents though. It is a hexagon. It's a 6-sided figure. Okay, we're going to try one more. Okay, I'm glad that they're doing these too, because this is really kind of knocking out 2 items that I wanted to do. So this is awesome. What fraction of the shape is purple? Aha. This is perfect. What fraction of the shape is purple? So that is going to be your numerator. Ten whoops. Make sure you're reading those questions perfectly. Oh, okay, this is a good one. This is our last one. Mrs. Rivera baked a pan of brownies. She cut them equally into 12ths. Her children ate a total of 8. What fraction of the brownies were not, bing, 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 eaten? This is a great question because they're actually trying to trick us, okay? If we didn't think for a moment, we'd be like 8/12. But that's not what they're asking us. What fraction of the brownies were not eaten? Oh, here I go again. Oh, okay, perfect example of Mrs. Shelton not paying attention twice. Yikes. Clearly, I cannot film and type at the same time. Okay. Now, this is great because, and we've already gone back to this, so we really don't need to do this again. All right. Tomorrow we're going to go through simplifying fractions, even though we know how to do this, because there are a couple of assignments on I Know It with fractions that we're going to be doing this week, and I just want to roll through a couple of examples. You have got an assignment on I Know It that you can log on and complete. Please use a scratch piece of paper on this because I'm looking at what you are missing as well. We really, on addition, should really be at 100%. We just should not miss these, and you only have 6 problems. All right, we do have our estimation today as well. Good luck. We'll talk more about it.